you ready? I'm not ready. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm your girl Fiona. You might as well hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be your best friend for life starting now. If you're like me and you're stuck in the house, okay, and you so happen to produce a mustache, this is the video for you. Now, I say this is the video for you with confidence because that's who I am, but this is the first time I have ever attempted to wax my own face at home. Strip wax for small areas and the face. It's a microwaveable eyebrow, face, and lip wax kit. Results should last up to 8 weeks. So here goes nothing. Apparently you could put this in the microwave. I'm scared. I warmed the wax up for about 4 minutes the first time. It wasn't warm enough, and then another 3 after. Then it became too liquidy, but it is becoming a little more coagulated, college word. And so we're gonna wait for it to become a little stickier, and then we're gonna go for it. I'm also not going to lie, I am scared. That is why I'm procrastinating. I have witch hazel here. I don't have any alcohol, but I believe there's alcohol in witch hazel. This is to dry out the natural oils that is around my lips because I don't have baby powder. All right. It smells just like the wax at the European Wax Center. Okay. I've always wanted to do esthetician work, and I guess, you know, here's my time to shine. Oh, yeah. Oh, that dried instantly. I'm scared. Maybe I let it dry out a little too much because it is starting to get... Oh, God. I need to get a little further down here, but then I'm not an esthetician, so if I do this wrong, fuck my skin. There is a reason why you need a license to do things like this. But here I am. Because the damn Rona. I am scared and I am wildin'. While I'm here, I might as well go and do the middle of my... Y'all see it. Y'all know y'all see it. I get a unibrow and I get a mustache. It is very annoying. And we're gonna go in the direction of the hair growth, which is up. Like so. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm not ready. I'm not ready. All right. I'm not ready. I can't do it.
So once you build up the resistance, tolerance, whatever it is, you'll be able to do it yourself.
First of all, this just peeled all the way off. It didn't even like do anything. Oh, I did get some hair out, but I guess I must have still been oily and wet. So now I gotta do that again. People who could wax their own face and armpits and stuff, I believe they summon the devil in their closets. Because this is not that bad. But I don't know if I'm doing this wrong or if this is not all that of a product. Because there's no way. Let's try this again. It might be me, honestly. Did you see the way I just layered that shit? Oh, I just caught some hair. I felt it. Uh-huh. Yep. This is why I pay people to do this for me. This needs to be reheated. I am not happy. I look like Steve Harvey. That was easy. But again, it did not get that much. Okay, you can't see the hair. It's about 3-4 hairs in there. There's still hair there though, so that's not that good either. And they're long hairs, they're not short. Okay, so far I'm not impressed by the product. But then again, it could be me. This is my first time doing this. Comment down below if you've used this and you had a better experience than I have. That way that lets me know that this is me and I just need to practice. Because, you know, I ain't an esthetician, so I really don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I should let it sit on my face, pause a little longer.
I'm applying P for pressure.
Oh, okay. That made me.
Well, that has to stay in the video.
I'm tearing. I'm tearing. I can't do it. I can do it because I'm a boss ass bitch. That hurt even more. Oh, but I got more. Okay. The problem was it didn't sit on my face. Pause. A little longer. That's all I had to do. I hate the fact that when I wax my lip, there's always a visible ass difference. Okay. I should never look like my father. Okay, we got more hair. Let's do the unibrow. Okay, I think I might have made this layer too thick because I came off like it was nothing and it barely picked anything off. Yeah. If I was to rate this product, I'd rate it a 6 out of 10 because it has the potential to work. I'm not sure if it's me or what. Also, my sister made a valid ass point that this spatula goes in this multiple times. So I know that according to like New York standards and stuff like that, I don't even know if you could just double dip and put the same popsicle stick in the same wax thingy, and you're not. You're supposed to throw it out. And then reheating wax a couple of times is, you know, just disgusting. So that might be a ill or unhygienic, but you know, that's how they made this. Even better, you can see the difference. So now that my lips are like really done, I'm going in with the Extra Smooth Aftercare Lotion by Sally Hansen. I'm not going to lie, I had to follow up with my unibrow and a little bit over my mustache with a nose hair trimmer. So there's that. Bye.